Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the skeleton system. It is mentioned in class 9th and chapter is 3. First of all, if you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. First we will discuss about skeleton. Skeleton is framework of a bones. Our bones are connected together and form a framework. It is called skeleton, also mentioned in the picture. As you know, our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones have very important function, such as they protect the organs of our body and also provide shape to our body. In the picture, bone structure of body is shown. It is known as skeleton system. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles and bones work together to move the parts of the body. The long bones and flat bones contain bone marrow. It is a fatty substance which forms blood. Bones contain minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and substance is called collagen. Okay. Now you know that our bones are made up of which things. Next is part of skeleton. The skeleton system is made up of so many parts and division in primary classes is this is the picture of skull. Main points of skull are it contains 22 bones. It protects our brain. Lower jaw is the only movable joint of the skull. It means the position of other portions of skull except jaw do not move easily. Nose is not having bone in the front portion. Have you ever pressed nose tip? You will feel no bone. Actually, bone is inside our nose. Nose is made up of material called cartilage. So, the shape of our nose is caused by cartilage and nose shape can be changed with the help of surgery. This is frontal. These are eye sockets. This is the upper jaw. And this is cranium. These are cheekbones. And this is the base of nose. The bone is inside in the nose. Skull gives shape to our body. It protects the delicate brain. It protects eyes, inner parts of ear and nose, tongue. It also gives space to eyes, nose and ears and mouth, which are our sense organs. Next part of skeleton system is vertebral column. Our skull is joined to the spine that it runs from the base of the skull up to the hip region. Its main points are made up of 33 small bones. Out of the 33 bones, the first 7 are present in neck region and last 4 are in the tail region. Each bone is ring shaped called vertebra. It protects the delicate spinal cord. As shown in the picture, it has various rings. First of all, in the neck region, second is chest region, third is hip region and in the last is tail region. Cartilage is between most of the vertebrae. It cushions the bones and acts as a shock absorber. You must have seen shockers in motorcycles. They protect us from shock. Similarly, in our body and in our spine, or backbone, we have cartilage which act as shockers. Next part is the limbs. The limbs are of two types. Fair limbs are limbs present in arms, and hindy limbs are limbs present in legs. Upper arm has bone, humerus, and lower arm has radius and ulna. The wrist and hands are made up of many small bones. Each forelimb has 3 bones. Thigh bone is a femur, and lower leg has 2 bones, tibia and fibia. The hindy limbs or the legs also have 3 bones each. Femur or the thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg has 2 bones, tibia and fibula. The ankle and toes have many small bones. Next is girdles. Bony structure where limb bones are attached are called girdles. These are two types, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. As in picture, this is pelvic girdle and these are pectoral girdle. These are the joints which are joined for bone, for 2 bones or a set of bones. Each pectoral girdle consists of a shoulder blade and collarbone, while hindy limbs or legs are attached to pelvic girdle. The kidney and the urinary bladder are protected by pelvic girdle. These organs are present in this area. This is the area where kidney and urinary bladder are protected by the pelvic girdle. Next is joints are joining place of 2 bones or set of bones. These are of 2 types, immovable joints, skull and pelvic bone joints, and movable joints are arms, legs, hips and shoulder. Movable joints are of 4 types. First one is hinge joint. Hinge joint allows bones to move in one direction only. As knees and elbows are formed of hinge joints, we can move our legs or our knees in one direction only. The knee joint will always move in one direction. Next is ball and socket joint. These type of joints are one end of a bone is round like a ball. The round bone can rotate in the socket. It allows movement in almost all directions. These joints are formed in a hips and shoulder, as we can move a shoulder in upward and backward positions. Next is pivot joint. These joints are found between the first and the second vertebrae of the backbone. The skull is connected to first 2 vertebrae or the vertebral column with the pivot joint. It allows the rotating movement from side to side. It also allows both sides to side and up and down movement. One of the example of pivot joint is of our wrist. We can move a hand with the help of wrist in many directions. Similar in the feet. Next is gliding joint. This joint is found in wrist and ankles. It allows sliding movements. Next is muscles. Muscles help bones for the movement of our body. There are 600 types of muscles in our body. They are made of cells called muscle fibers. When muscle cells relax, it goes to the previous position. As a boy is playing football for 1 hour. After 1 hour, he will feel tired. Actually, the muscles in the body are also tired and change their shape. After relaxing for half an hour, his muscles will come to similar position or the previous position. We can relax our muscles, and in our body new muscles forms time to time. So students, this is the explanation of skeleton system. I hope you have understood now. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you all.